Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about tinyURL, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a tinyURL account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a tinyURL anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing content, you know that sometimes there's a limit on the size of the link, especially if you're doing affiliate marketing. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in tinyurl.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already opened up the website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create a tinyURL account, you can click right here, create free account, or you can click up here, sign up. Okay, once you do that, it's going to ask for your name, email address, and create a password. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off screen. Okay, I entered in the required information. I'm going to click on create an account. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to bring you to the pricing page. So you can go ahead and use a free account like what I'm doing for this test account. And you can also sign up for a paid plan as well. They do monthly and annually. So this is really going to depend on how many links you're going to want to create in tinyURL. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just leave it at the free plan. So let me click up here to my URLs. Okay, so then it brings me here to the home page, so I can go ahead and start shortening links right here on the left. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a tinyURL account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.